of the pack. You esteem yourself, push a negative back. Cause you don't have time for the haterade. Leave that on the bench with the Gatorade. See, you got that flavor like Powerade. Be better than Mac, it'll never fade. You so different, you rep the magnificence. He's flawless, you flawless. Light in the dark, Miss Ty came to spark. Need CPR, do you know who you are? Gorgeous, elegant, intelligent, eloquent. Mind so sharp, never say you irrelevant. Going to the top, he up so evident. A gift to the world, you can say you was heaven sent. Y'all want this party started, right? Y'all want this party started quickly, right? If you rock, then lean to the right now. If you rock, then lean to the left now. Go ahead and do your two-step now. Show off if you know you the best now. If you rock, just lean to the right. If you rock, just lean to the left. Go ahead and do your dance now. Show off if you know you the best. Pretty face and a smile. Some look shocked when they find I got a mind. Work ethic tight, yeah, stay on the grind. Down with the king, that's how I keep my shine. Bling, my soul's icy. It's the God in me, that's why I'm pricey. Save your money, but guess can't buy me. Miss Ty Sky, if for sale, don't try me. A new breed of the female type. I come with much substance, ain't just hype. I'm right to be thick, born to do this. Can't give it to you fake, I spit the realness. Yes, this realist, got mass appearance. Right time, so I hope you feel this. Get your hands in the air, real high. Got looks, got brains, then you fly. Y'all want this party started, right? Y'all want this party started quickly, right? If you rock, then lean to the right now. If you rock, then lean to the left now. Go ahead and do your two-step now. Put your love, put your love glasses on, put your love, put your love glasses on. Now I see you looking like you wanna dance, and I'm watching, wondering why you don't take a chance. Just go ahead, take his hand. What you scared of, man? What you scared of, man? You got it in you, now just let it out. Miss this moment, this is what it's all about. It's everywhere around, so many treasures to be found. So we gotta keep truth seeking, listen to wisdom speaking. Get yourself beaten and fight. Keep truth seeking, listen to wisdom speaking. Get yourself beaten and see the world and see the world. You got sight.
Yeah. Mel, how could I be a biter when I write such eternal bars? I guess y'all can call me a lifer. I might not get a reach recording BET ciphers. Progress comes as will is that we die to the pride inside us, lest we ourselves become idols. Now that's missing the mark, our heart's our own rival. Take that memento into your mental, but you don't hear me though like you listening to instrumental. Not in a limo, but I can feel God stretching my life like Leno Chino. His crimson blood over my sins don't make me sand sins, bro. Just mean I'm progressively covered by God's flow. Nothing new about him, been that way original. Originator talking FSU Seminole. He never fumbles in the clutch moments, give and go. I'm so rivaling my mindset, cause I got the mindset of Jesus in the world that says it's nonsense. They never heard a gritty flow so polished. Mel been known to rock the crowds like honest.
Fighting for Christ, fighting for lives, here we go now. 2 Timothy 4:7's about to go down. Keeping the faith, I'm trying to save all my bros now. You might be the only help for some, so don't slow down. It's the final round, fighting with the enemy. You're one punch away from winning, so what's it gonna be? The book of Philippians 4:13. Through Christ I can do all things. Yeah, have I not told you? Be strong, courageous, don't be afraid or dismayed. You'll make it, the Lord is with you, yeah, wherever you go. Through the good and bad times, all the bumps in the road, He's a symbol of hope, and when you think that He won't, He will give you strength you never thought you'd have on your own. And I'ma let it be known, I won't sit around and idle. I'm fighting for God, I'm defending heaven's titles. More than just disciple, I wanna make disciples. You wanna fight the system, let your Bible be the rifle. Come on.
Yeah, cut. Y'all know who I be, I'm still reppin' the king. And I'ma stay keeping the gospel, cause we ain't changing the thing. Keep on hating, cause I ain't waiting. Following my dream, trying to get you saved. Hit you with the spear before I leave, and I won't stop. And them giants gon' drop when I put a rock in my slingshot. Ha! Change your life, man, it's all about you. All things. But I'm still
Post rock, so we posted up. Post what this word about, word of mouth, word of mouth. Pouring out, crown after crown, lay 'em down. Post rock, so we posted up. Post what this word about, word of mouth, word of mouth. Pouring out, crown after crown, lay 'em down. Post what poster boys post about, Oprah's poses. Bragging out they open mouths, used to be about it, praise itself, oozing out my very mouth, cobras, venom leaking out of every mouth's pride indulgent, bulging out of necks, be the poison, Pharisees in baggy pants, wolf clothes approach you, patting every backpacker, calling them the chosen ones, Obi-Wans, only cause grace be unfolded, the greatest that you claim fixed, can only equate to what's greatest makes sense, yo, call it in our culture, but our culture stays posing, compounding our confoundment when it's title.